know him.
Oh, you mother. Oh. You're going all sideways and shit.
Mom, I'm on YouTube.
Well, I was still logged on to my YouTube, and she was scrolling through my subscriptions and found yours, and she's like, that looks like my son. And like watched all of them. She's like, no, I know what you do. I was like, yeah. Down there? Oh, they're rocking spraying on it. It's line, dude. Turn that down. That's what I'm gonna do on my performance eval. Last week there was nothing. There you go. Not the one.
You wanted it.
Yes, especially if you're not. Yeah, let me toss that for you. Get wrecked!